Oh my god, that is too funny.
Shh, quiet. You shut up.
Stop. You got a good video, Mark.
I do.
Okay.
I hate you.
Oh my god. We're not taking the dogs next time. They make too much noise.
Yeah, right? It's insane.
Stop.
Mr. Hueco, it's okay, Mr. Shh. Enough. Good boy. How you doing? That's so funny. I'm gonna post this on YouTube. You're gonna like this.
Choco, you're too old to bark. Just stop. It's okay. Stop. Stop.
Shh. Be quiet.
Zip it.
Be quiet, Pacheco. Enough. Let this man do it. Don't worry about it. He's not gonna do nothing. He's not gonna do nothing. You hear me, Pacheco? He's not gonna do nothing. Capis, Pacheco? Capis?
Finally.
I think he stopped.
Yeah,
I just wish that Pacheco could stop barking, but he still barks a lot.
He's a little asshole.
Because he's a bad boy.
He's a bad boy.
Oh my god, this is so funny. I was recording about.
That was pretty funny. That was good.
I was like, "It's my dog, my dog."
It was.
If we actually go over there like that, and then Sugar's gonna get scared like that. When
He might. We'll see. Yeah. Are you still recording? Okay.
I'm still recording this.
All right. We're almost done.
Hello, say hello to my YouTube channel. I'm with the.
I look like crap, but
I look like with me, and say hello to everybody. That's my girl.
that's my boy.
Yeah, that's right. That's what she told me. Exactly what she said. Shh, be quiet. Okay, I guess here we go. All right, here we go. What is it? It's raining. Oh boy, here we go.
Ooh, foam bath.
Oh yeah, it's going to. What is it? We're gonna die. He's getting scared. Oh my god, is that a... Oh. Dice huecos. That was pretty funny. So now I'll stop this recording and give a thumbs up.